Hello guys, welcome back to the another video. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to add a clickable link on Instagram bio. So the steps are very much simple. So in order to add a clickable link, first of all we make sure to get connected with the internet. Then simply start by tapping on the app's icon, go to the Instagram, here we go, and also we make sure you are signed into your account. Then after, simply tap on this profile icon at the bottom right in order to enter on your profile. So click on this icon. Then after, you can see the option of edit profile. When you enter on your profile, just click on this edit profile, and here in this option you can see the option of website. Just click on this website and you can add a link here. For example, I'm adding this www.facebook.com. So I'm adding a link, and then after, simply tap on this right icon at the top right side. So just click on this icon. That's it. The clickable link has been added to your profile. So simply this is how you can add another link, and hope this video helped you. And also before you go, please like this video and subscribe this channel as well, and also press the notification bell to get updated. Alright, thank you for watching this video.